Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Our today's topic is shortcut keys in SolidWorks Part 1. In this Part 1, we will see some basic shortcut keys like how to open and close the document in SolidWorks, how to set orientation in SolidWorks, or how to call recent document in SolidWorks, okay, etc. So let's get started our today's topic. Our first shortcut key in SolidWorks is how to open new part file or new document. For that, please press Ctrl plus N button from your computer keyboard. Then you will see new SolidWorks document window is open and you will get three options like part, assembly and drawing. Then you can select as per your requirement. I am selecting here part, then press OK. Okay, this is the first shortcut key. Our next shortcut key is how to open our old document. For that, you can put Ctrl plus O from your keyboard. Then you can see open window is now open. Then select your part file. Okay, then select open. Here I am selecting part 1 SLD PRT. You can see here preview. Now press open. Wait for some time. Now you can see here the part file is now open. This is the second shortcut key, open. Now our third shortcut key is how to close this part file. For that we need to put Ctrl plus W from your computer keyboard. Ctrl plus W is a shortcut key for close option. Here I am putting Ctrl plus W. Okay, after that you will see the part file is now closed. That's it. This is the option close. Now our next option is how to save our current work progress or our current work file. For that we need to open our part file. Here I am open our old part file from. Okay, now you can see here I am giving you one fillet for better understanding. Okay, you can see here the fillet is now created. Now I want to save this work from shortcut key. For that you can press Ctrl plus S button from your computer keyboard. After that your work progress will be saved. This is a simple method for save your current work progress. Our next command is undo and redo option from SolidWorks. For that we need to create an 2D work. Okay, here I am creating one circle and two rectangles. First I am here selecting circle and delete from our current work progress. But I don't want to delete this circle from my work. So for that I am recalling back this circle in my work. So for that please press Ctrl plus Z button from your computer keyboard, and here we go, the circle is back in our current work progress. Or by mistake you are calling this deleted circle and you did not want this circle in your document. So for that you need to put Ctrl plus Y button from your computer keyboard, and here we go, the redo option is now opt and circle is deleted from your document. Okay, this is the undo and redo option from SolidWorks. These all options are similar like Microsoft Word. As you know, the Microsoft Word is easy to use. That's like SolidWorks is easy to use. Now our next command is cut option in SolidWorks. For that we need to select one line. Here I am selecting line. Then put Ctrl plus X from your keyboard. The cut option is now opt. Okay. Our next command is copy command. For that we need to select a line. I am selecting here line. Then press Ctrl plus C from your keyboard. Then again Ctrl plus V for paste this option in your document. Here I am putting Ctrl plus V. Now you can see here the line is copied and pasted here. Here I am moving this line for visualize the copy option and paste option. Now I repeat, please remember the shortcut key for cut is a Ctrl plus X button from your keyboard. And second, for copy, please put Ctrl plus C button from your keyboard. Now third one, paste option, please put Ctrl plus V from your keyboard. Okay. Now our next command is select all. For that we need to put Ctrl plus A from your keyboard, and you can see here all our document is selected. I want delete all these documents or entities from my current work. Now for that please enter delete key from your keyboard. Now our all work progress deleted. Our next shortcut key is browse recent document. For that we need to press R button from your keyboard. You can see here recent window is open. Okay, I am selecting here. You can see here our last part file is open. Next shortcut key is print shortcut key. For that we need to put Ctrl plus P for enabling the print option. Now you can see here I am putting Ctrl plus P. Now print option window is open. You can see here various print options are available. Now you can select as per your requirement and then press OK. Okay, for printing your documents. Then our next command is orientation. Okay, in orientation you can see here the spacebar is a shortcut key for orientation. Then orientation window is open after pressing the spacebar. You can see here orientation options are present. Now you can see here my object is now displaced and spreading over drawing sheet. Now I want to fit this object in my drawing sheet or work area. For that you want to put or press cap F button from your keyboard. Now you can see here my object is now fit in work area. This is a simple option for zoom to fit. Okay, our next option is various orientation in SolidWorks like front, back, left, right, top, bottom, isometric and normal too. For that we need to apply Ctrl plus 1 for front side, then Ctrl plus 2 for back side. This is the back side. Now please press Ctrl plus 3 button for left side, then press Ctrl 4 button for right side. Then for top side you need to put Ctrl plus 5. Here I am putting Ctrl plus 5. First adjust it. Okay, adjust the object. Here I am adjusting. Now you can see here Ctrl+5 for top. For bottom, please put Ctrl+6 from your keyboard. Now you can see here bottom side of object is displayed. Now for isometric, please put Ctrl+7. This is the important factor or option in SolidWorks. Isometric view. Now for normal 2, please put Ctrl+8 button from your keyboard. This is a orientation options in SolidWorks. That's it class. Here I am ending shortcut keys in SolidWorks part 1. We will discuss the other shortcut keys in SolidWorks later on, that means in next video in part 2. If you like our today's video tutorial of SolidWorks shortcut keys part 1, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for tips and tricks in AutoCAD as well as SolidWorks and latest updated videos in SolidWorks as well as AutoCAD. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.